An Elon Musk-led group is making a $97.4 billion bid for control of OpenAI.
Sam, should you have taken Elon's offer?
You refused $1 billion for Elon Musk. What do you want to say to Elon Musk?
Received what from him?
Almost $100 billion, right?
The company is not for sale, neither is the mission. We're happy to buy Twitter if you want to talk about that.
Sam Altman. Sam, of course, the headlines right now, Elon Musk making a bid for OpenAI. Your response, you're turning him down for $97 billion.
I mean, look, OpenAI is not for sale. The OpenAI mission is not for sale.
OpenAI company that's leading the AI industry, founded in 2015 as a humble nonprofit vowing to build artificial intelligence for humanity's good. Fast forward, it's now a capped profit giant, raking in billions. Elon Musk, a founder who walked away in 2018, is back offering a jaw-dropping $97 billion to buy it. But why? Why abandon his brainchild only to fight to reclaim it? OpenAI, an American artificial intelligence research organization, came to life on December 11, 2015, sparked by a bold alliance of innovators. Sam Altman, a startup prodigy fresh from leading Y Combinator; Elon Musk, the restless visionary of Tesla and SpaceX; Ilya Sutskever, a deep learning genius mentored by AI pioneers; Greg Brockman, a coding whiz ready to trade corporate life for a grander cause; and a crew of visionary researchers. Their dream: artificial general intelligence, AGI, machines that could outsmart humans at any task, from composing music to cracking scientific riddles, far beyond the limits of chatbots or image filters. They saw AGI as a game changer, a seismic force to revolutionize the world forever, unlocking progress humanity could barely imagine. But with great power comes great fear. They worried AGI could slip into the wrong hands, a single corporation or government twisting it into a monopoly that could dominate, exploit, or even doom us all. Their answer was radical: make it open source. Share the research, the patents, the entire playbook, not locked in some corporate vault, and also laid bare so scientists, startups, and dreamers worldwide could build on it, ensuring the benefits reached everyone, not just the powerful few. Dreams that big don't come cheap. Building AGI demanded massive computing power, supercomputers chewing through calculations, plus endless data streams and a roster of top-tier talent lured from labs and universities. To fund this, they set their sights high: $1 billion. But as a non-profit, the cash didn't flow easily. By 2019, they had clawed together just $130 million, a fraction of their goal. But where did it come from? At first, Elon Musk, despite his billionaire status, kicked in less than $45 million, a hefty sum, but not the flood they'd hoped for. Open Philanthropy, a philanthropy outfit obsessed with doing good, dropped $30 million, drawn by the ethical promise. The rest, about $55 million, trickled in from tech believers like Peter Thiel, the contrarian PayPal co-founder, and Reid Hoffman, LinkedIn's mastermind, all wagering on OpenAI's audacious vision to reshape the future. December 2015, OpenAI to develop AGI, they needed to crawl before they could soar, even starting small, experimenting with how AI could learn, adapt, and evolve in a world that wasn't ready. April 2016, OpenAI launched its first AI project, called OpenAI Gym, an open-source platform designed to help AI researchers train and test reinforcement learning, RL, algorithms. But what's reinforcement learning? Imagine an AI dropped into a pixelated maze, like a kid playing Pac-Man. It stumbles, chases ghosts, grabs points for wins, and learns from every blunder. Trial and error, but make it brilliant. Jim handed researchers a treasure chest. Atari classics, think Breakout and Space Invaders, robotic sims, even physics puzzles where AI could wrestle with gravity itself. It was a global lab bench, free, open source, letting anyone with a laptop and a dream benchmark their models against the best. Even cash-strapped, OpenAI punching above its weight. Seeing this, on August 2016, NVIDIA, the silicon kingpin powering the AI boom, gifts OpenAI its first DGX-1 supercomputer, a hulking $129,000 beast. Suddenly, training runs that once dragged on for 6 sleepless days shrink to 2 blistering hours. It's a lifeline. OpenAI grabs it. By December, they unveil OpenAI Universe, a digital frontier where AI doesn't just play, it lives. Picture this: an AI hunched over a virtual desk, clicking clicking through Grand Theft Auto, typing in a browser, navigating a maze of apps and websites. It's learning to mimic us, mouse moves, keystrokes, chaos, and all. The goal? Push AI toward AGI by mastering the messy, human world beyond joysticks. Think filling out tax forms or spotting a stop sign in the wild? Universe fizzled out later, but its echoes shaped giants like GPT. Then, the main event, 2018. OpenAI 5 storms the stage. A fearless AI crew trained to conquer Dota 2, a sprawling, cutthroat game that's less chess, more battlefield. Fueled by reinforcement learning and thousands of cloud GPUs, it plays itself millions of times, each clash a lesson, each victory a sharper edge. 5 bots, 1 mind, coordinating like a seasoned squad. The payoff? It doesn't just beat humans, it humiliates pro players on a global stream, jaws dropping in real time. This wasn't about gaming glory. It showed AI could strategize long-term in a chaotic world, a glimpse of machines tackling real crises, from disaster response to climate puzzles. After all, OpenAI's early AI projects made huge strides, but they also came at some cost. In 2017, alone, OpenAI shelled out $7.9 million on cloud computing, and also required renting 128,000 CPUs and 256 GPUs from Google for multiple weeks, able to train these early AI projects. At the beginning of OpenAI, Elon was one of the key figures supporting OpenAI's vision to build artificial general intelligence that would benefit all of humanity. But what happened and why Elon resigned from his board of directors seat in 2018? From day one, OpenAI had a shadow looming over it: Google DeepMind. In 2016, DeepMind's AlphaGo stunned the world, toppling the Go world champion in a game so intricate it was thought unbeatable by code. Then 2017, AlphaZero emerges, a self-taught prodigy mastering chess, shogi, and Go in mere hours. No human coach needed. By 2018, AlphaStar lands, crushing pro players in StarCraft 2, a chaotic digital war zone of strategy and reflex. DeepMind wasn't just winning, it was rewriting the rules of AI. Musk watched, and he didn't like what he saw. OpenAI, his brainchild, could beat Google DeepMind to build AGI faster. Money didn't help. OpenAI's ambitions were galactic. $1 billion to fuel the AGI quest. Musk, for all his billionaire swagger, had chipped in less than $45 million. Not pocket change, but a far cry from the war chest they needed. Supercomputers don't run on hope, and talent doesn't come cheap. Frustrated, Musk made a play straight out of his playbook: take the reins. Reports say he offered to buy OpenAI outright, promising the cash to turbocharge its mission. But Sam Altman and the co-founders pushed back hard. They weren't about to let their indie dream become another cog in Musk's empire. That clash lit the fuse. Musk, a man who thrives on speed and control, saw OpenAI stalling. Too slow, too broke, too stubborn. Meanwhile, his other baby, Tesla, was roaring ahead. Formed Tesla's autopilot steering cars with AI finesse, full self-driving tech inching toward autonomy, and the Dojo supercomputer, a hulking beast designed to train AI faster than ever. Tesla wasn't just competing, it was building its own AI dynasty. Musk reportedly seized OpenAI's non-profit shackles and thought, this can't beat DeepMind, not like this. So he cut the cord, stepped off the board in February 2018. As for OpenAI's goal, to make artificial general intelligence and make it open source. But one giant hurdle loomed: money. Training AGI isn't a garage project. It demands colossal computing power, GPUs stacked like skyscrapers, crunching data day and night, plus the world's brightest AI minds, who don't come cheap. Strapped and struggling, OpenAI faced a reckoning. In 2019, they made a jaw-dropping call: ditch the nonprofit badge and pivot to a cap-for-profit model. What's that? A hybrid twist. Investors could profit, but only up to a limit, keeping some mission DNA intact. Now, they could woo venture cash and offer equity to rival the stock-heavy lures of Google DeepMind and Facebook. It was a lifeline, and it worked. Microsoft swooped in with a $1 billion infusion, plugging OpenAI into Azure's supercomputing grid, thus server racks humming with raw power. With big money came big moves. OpenAI wasn't just a research outfit anymore. It morphed into a titan, churning out heavyweights like ChatGPT, spinning human-like words, and DALL-E, crafting images from text. But here's the kicker: the open source vow faded. Those shiny new models, locked tight, no longer shared with the world. The pivot paid off, but it flipped the script. OpenAI went from a crusader for all to a player with secrets, racing for AGI on a for-profit fuel tank. The rise of OpenAI ignited in 2020 when they unveiled GPT-3, a language model beast with 175 billion parameters, a digital brain trained to mimic human thought. This wasn't just a chatbot. It could pen full-length articles, churn out code in Python or JavaScript, and hold conversations so lifelike you'd swear it had a pulse. OpenAI smelled an opportunity. They flipped the switch to commercial AI, licensing GPT-3 to Microsoft and charging businesses to tap its power, a bold leap from their open-source roots. In 2021, they doubled down with DALL-E, a deep learning sorcerer built on GPT-3's bones. Feed it a sentence and watch it conjure images from thin air, blending creativity with code. The world took notice. Then, December 2022, ChatGPT 3.5 crashed onto the scene. A free web preview, no API gatekeeping. It roared to life, snagging over 1 million users in just 5 days. A near world record sprint that left jaws on the floor. January 2023, Microsoft dropped a $10 billion bombshell, valuing OpenAI at $29 billion, double its 2021 worth. The catch? OpenAI's tech would lean on Azure, Microsoft's cloud computing juggernaut, humming with server farms to fuel the AI beast. Whispers of the deal hinted at Microsoft claiming 75% of OpenAI's profits until its investment paid off, plus a 49% stake, a partnership with teeth. Soon, ChatGPT's DNA was slated to weave into Bing, Edge, Microsoft 365, every corner of the Redmond empire. March 14, 2023, GPT-4 stormed in, dual-wielding an API, waitlist only, and ChatGPT Plus, a paid web tier. This wasn't just talk. It wrote, drew images, dissected screenshots, summarized text, even aced exam questions with diagrams. A Swiss Army knife of AI. Then, November 6, 2023, GPTs arrived, custom ChatGPTs, tailored by anyone for anything, from cooking tips to legal drafts, cracking OpenAI's reach across industries. February 15, 2024, OpenAI teased Sora, a text-to-video marvel spinning clips from words. Red teams probed it for risks, think deep fakes or chaos, before its public debut on December 9, 2024. That same month, a Reddit pact let OpenAI tap the site's data API, funneling real-time posts into ChatGPT, juicing its wit with raw internet grit. June 10, 2024, Apple joined the party, baking ChatGPT into Apple Intelligence for iPhones everywhere. October 2024, a $6.6 billion cash haul from Thrive Capital, Khosla Ventures, Microsoft, Nvidia, and SoftBank rocketed OpenAI's valuation to $157 billion. Thrive alone tossed in $1.2 billion, with $1 billion more on the table if revenue soared. November 2024, they snagged Chat.com, redirecting it to ChatGPT, and unleashed O1, a reasoning titan with chain-of-thought smarts, untangling complex problems with eerie precision. January 24, 2025, Operator debuted for pro users in the US, an AI agent surfing the web to nail user tasks. Weeks later, a deep research agent hit 26.6% on humanity's last exam benchmark, while ChatGPT 4.5, codename Orion, closed the chapter, a final flex before full reasoning took over. The year 2023 dawned with Elon Musk, tech's untamed visionary, setting his sights on OpenAI. His goal? Seize control, flip its profit-chasing gears, and steer it back to a purer path. AI safety first, open source for all, not locked behind corporate walls. Early 2023, he made his move, a bold attempt to buy the ChatGPT maker and unshackle its models for the world. But OpenAI's brass, led by Sam Altman, stood firm. They swatted down Elon's offer, clinging to their closed-source empire. The rejection stung, and it sparked a fire. By July 2023, Musk wasn't licking wounds. He was building. Enter xAI, his new AI venture, a rival born to challenge OpenAI head-on. Its mission? Craft truth-seeking AI for the public good, a counterpunch to what he saw as OpenAI's drift. November 2023, xAI unveiled Grok, a chatbot with teeth, woven into X, or Twitter. Grok didn't just talk. It jabbed with humor, dripped with wit, and drank real-time data from X's chaotic streams. ChatGPT's Polish met Grok's edge, and the world noticed. Here was an AI that didn't just answer, it provoked. But Elon wasn't done with OpenAI. February 10, 2025, he lobbed a $97.4 billion grenade, an unsolicited bid to buy the whole operation. 4 days later, February 14, 2025, OpenAI's board shot it down cold. Sam Altman didn't just say the company is not for sale, he declared, then smirked, but we will buy X instead. A jab at Musk's own turf, a taunt in the AI wars. Elon's bid crashed, but the echoes lingered. Two titans, one ring, and a battle far from over.